Okay. Now
Sir, to
I am starting the chapter on the face of it. Page number 63. No, sorry. 64 page number. Lines. There is speech. Okay. But before there is speech, I will teach you Mr. Lamb's speech. Like a bomb, only blew up my leg. There is, Mr. Lamb says that his one of the legs was blown up in a war. There is worse things can happen. It was the worst accident for him. You can burn yourself away inside. If you have hatred for other people, it means you are burning yourself from inside. आप अपने आप को अंदर से जला रहे हैं. Daddy, I had come home. One person said he would have been better off stopping in there in the hospital. There came a person in the house of Derry, and that person was advising Derry's father that it would be the better for your child to stay in the hospital where the other burnt person lived. It would be better for your child to live in that hospital where other burnt persons live. तुम्हारा बेटा वहाँ अच्छा रहेगा जहाँ पर और जले हुए लोग रहते हैं. So he will not be suffered with inferiority complex. तो इसमें inferiority, इसमें हीनता की भावना मीन्स इसमें inferiority complex नहीं आएगा. Okay, he would be better off with others like himself. She thinks blind people only ought to be with other blind people. That person was thinking that the blind person will be comfortable in the company of blind people. The burnt people will be comfortable in the company of burnt people, and the idiot boys, the foolish person, the mental person will be comfortable with other mental person. If it happens, अगर ऐसा होता, the person who are physically impaired, the persons who are physically impaired could not touch the sky. But there are many examples in the world that the people who are physically impaired, they have just touched Mount Everest, like Arunima Sinha. Okay, she has made a record. Mr. Lamb, and people with no legs altogether. And what do these people say? What do these people say about those persons who don't have legs? That's right. You are saying right. Mr. Lamb, what kind of a word would that be? If such person, such physically impaired person will live with same type of person, then what would be the face of this world? सारे पर्सन जो फिजिकली इम्पेयर्ड हैं अपने ही लोगों के साथ रहेंगे तो the face of the world would be very different. Okay, so we can't think such about those persons who are physically impaired. They should contact with the complete person so that they can be guided by them. At least there would be nobody to stare at you because you were not like them. Now Terry says that at least these people, these physically impaired person will be comfortable with those persons because there would be no one who would pass comment on their physical impairedness. Yes, Mr. Lamb, so you think you are just as the same as all other people with burnt faces? It means, Derry, I am asking you if you are just same like other people who have burnt faces. It means all the burnt people are same. No, they cannot be same. Their mental status is quite different. Getting or not? They may be intelligent. You are intelligent because you observe everything very minutely. So you think you are just the same as all other people with one faces. Just by what you look like. It means you are just comfortable with other people who have one face. You are the same. No, I think you will not be the same because mental status, mental condition of this person are different from person to person. Everything is different, everything is same. Everything is different, but everything is also same. कुछ चीज अलग भी है, कुछ चीज सेम भी है. But everything is different itself. But everything is different in itself. At some extent, कुछ हद तक थोड़ा बहुत एक दूसरे से अलग होता है. All the persons are not same, or the qualities of person are different from person to person. Daddy, how do you make all that out? Sir, how can you think like that? How can you calculate like that? Mr. Lamb, three things are very important. Mr. Lamb says three things are very important. Watching, listening, thinking. First of all, start watching. देखना सीखो. Then listening. And then thinking. Then what will you see? You will start listening, and after listening, you will start thinking. देखो, सुनो और सोचो. I would like a place like this, a garden. Daddy says, I like the place like your garden. I like the place like your garden. जैसे कि आपका garden है, मुझे ऐसे place अच्छे लगते हैं. I would like a house with no curtains. I will also like that sort of house which have no curtains on windows. मुझे ऐसे घर अच्छे लगते हैं जिनकी खिड़कियों पर पर्दे नहीं होते हैं. Mr. Lamb, the gate is always open. Daddy, but this was not mine. But this garden is not mine. That house is not mine. ये घर मेरा नहीं है, गार्डन मेरा नहीं है. Mr. Lamb, everything is yours if you want it. Everything will be yours if you want to have it. वो चीज तुम्हारी हो जाएगी अगर तुम उसे पाना चाहोगे. What is mine is anybody's. What is mine today? What is mine today? It will be others tomorrow. आज जो मेरा है कल किसी और का होगा. Because we have many members in our house, but our family members die time to time. Okay, the property which was theirs today, it is ours, and in future it will be also our children. कल जो प्रॉपर्टी उनकी थी आज मेरी है, कल को आने वाली जनरेशन की होगी. Can you not? So everything can be yours. हर चीज आपकी हो सकती है if you want to have it. अगर आप उसे लेना चाहें, उसे पाना चाहें. It is the श्लोक of Gita. जो लिया यहीं से लिया. Whatever we have taken here on this earth, we take from this earth, and at last we leave everything. At last we leave everything on this earth when we pass away. जब हम मर जाते हैं हर चीज यहीं पर छोड़कर चले जाते हैं. We people come on this earth empty-handed. हम लोग खाली हाथ धरती पर आते हैं and we pass away empty-handed, और खाली हाथ चले जाते हैं. Getting or not? Okay then, Daddy, so I could come here again. Even if you were out. If you were not here, you were out of your house, could I come again here? I could come here. Yes, I will come. Mr. Lamb, certainly. You might find others here. If I would not be here. If I would not be here, you can see other people here in the garden. क्या हुआ अगर मैं यहाँ नहीं हुआ? You can see other people here in the garden. Of course. Oh, well, that need not stop you. Now you have no need to stop at one place. You have no need to stop at one place. तुम्हें एक स्थान पर रुकने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. The whole world is yours. You can go anywhere. Okay, you can make your future like other people. You need not mind. It would stop them. They would mind me. If I stop here, so the people would make or would pass comment to see me. When they saw me here, when the people will saw me here, those people will pass comment to see my face. They would mind me. वो बुरा मानेंगे. When they saw me here, they look at my face and run. Other people who would be here in the garden, when look my face, they would start running. वो भागना शुरू कर देंगे because they will be afraid of me. मुझे देखकर डर जाएंगे. They might not, they may run, they may not. भाग भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी. You would have to take the risk, but you have to take the risk in your life. जीवन में खतरे तो लेने ही पड़ते हैं. So would they? तो उन्हें भी लेने दो. Means if we think that if we go out we will die. अगर हम सोचें कि हम बाहर निकलेंगे तो मर जाएंगे, so we can't do anything in our life. If Arunima thought that she would not be able to just reach the Mount Everest and she would die anywhere on the way, so she could not win the Mount Everest. तो Mount Everest को जीत नहीं सकती थी. But she was quite confirmed. She was determined that she would touch the Mount Everest, and she had done this. She made other people surprised. Being of handicapped होते हुए भी उसने माउंट एवरेस्ट विन कर लिया. सो यू विल हैव टू टेक ए रिस्क एट एनी प्लेस एट एनी टाइम. कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी पल आपको रिस्क लेना ही पड़ेगा. There is no. You might have me and lose all your other friends. Mr. Lamb, if you would make me your friends, अगर आप मुझे अपना दोस्त बनाएंगे, it means you would lose your other friends. तुम्हारे other friends सब खो जाएंगे, भाग जाएंगे. Because nobody wants to stay near me. Because nobody wants to come to me. Nobody wants to come to me. If they can help it, because they get afraid to see my face. Mr. Lamb, I have not moved. I am not convinced. I am not happy. No, the Lamb, when I go down the street, when I go to the street, the kids shout. The small kids look at me and says, "Let me lamb, let me lamb, let me lamb." जब मैं सड़कों पर निकलता हूँ तो बच्चे मुझे क्या बोलते हैं? ले मी लैम्ब, ले मी लैम्ब. But they still come into the garden, even though they come into the garden, into my house. मेरे घर भी आते हैं. It is a game. They play a game with me like this. ले मी लैम्ब, ले मी लैम्ब. They are not afraid of me. They are not afraid of me. मुझसे वो नहीं डरते हैं. Why should they be? Why should they be afraid of me? Why should they be afraid of me? उन्हें मुझसे क्यों डरना चाहिए? Because I am not afraid of them. मैं भी उनसे नहीं डरता हूँ. I am not afraid of them. That is why not, because it is a game. They are not afraid of me, and I am not afraid of them. We are the friends. We meet daily. हम रोज मिलते हैं. Daddy, did you get your leg blown up in a war? Sir, your leg was blown off, your leg was cut or destroyed in a war. Certainly, really. Derry, how will you climb on a ladder and get the crab apples down then? Then you have an artificial leg, so how can you climb the ladder and pluck the crab apples? When you don't have one leg, how can you climb? जब आपके पैर है ही नहीं तो कैसे आप लैडर पर चढ़ सकते हैं, सीढ़ी पर चढ़ सकते हैं और एप्पल तोड़ सकते हैं? Islam said it comes to practice and practice makes a man perfect. कुछ प्रैक्टिस से आता है and practice makes a man perfect और प्रैक्टिस करने से आदमी परफेक्ट हो जाता है. Yes, Salam. Oh, there is a lot of things I have learned to do. There are many things which I have learned to do. Okay, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिन्हें मैंने करना सीख लिया है. Like the climbing the ladders. The same way I can climb the ladders. मैं ladders पर चढ़ सकता हूँ. And plenty of time for it. And I have practiced many times. मैंने बहुत बार अभ्यास किया है. Yes, I practice for so many years. I take it steady. Now I am quite normal. I can easily climb up the stairs after practice of many years. Derry, if you fell and broke your neck, suppose if you fell, गिर गए and you broke down your bone, आपकी हड्डी पट्टी टूट गई, you could lie on the grass. You will be lying over there. You will be lying over here. यहाँ पड़े रहोगे and will die और मर जाओगे. If you were not on your own, if you don't have your own persons. Salam, I could. No, ऐसा हो सकता है. Derry, you said I could help you. If you wish, I can help you in plucking the apples. Salam, if you want to help me, you can. I have no problem. Derry, but my mother will want to know where I am. My mother will be worried for me where I am, where I have reached. मेरी माँ चिंतित होगी मैं कहाँ पर हूँ. It is 3 miles home. My home is 3 miles away from your garden. My home is 3 miles away from your garden. Across the fields, I have come here. I have come here to cross many fields. I am 14. No doubt, I am 14 years old, but they still want to know where I am, even though my parents would be worried where I am. मैं 14 years का हो चुका हूँ, फिर भी मेरे पेरेंट्स चिंता कर रहे होंगे कि मैं कहाँ पर हूँ. Salam, people worry, really, people worry, parents worry, लोगों को चिंता करते हैं. Very people pass comment also, people whispers, लोग धीरे धीरे बातें भी करते हैं. Salam, go back and tell them. Now you go back and tell all the people. Derry, it is 3 miles. My home is 3 miles away. Salam, it is a fine evening. Oh, what a lovely evening it is. कितनी प्यारी शाम है. And you have got legs. Beta, you have got legs. You have both the legs. You are physically fit. You can run as fast as you can. Derry, once I got home, they would never let me come back. Once I got home, once I reached home, my parents would not let me come here again. My parents would not let me come here again. अगर मैं एक बार घर पहुंच गया तो मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स वापस यहाँ पर आने नहीं देंगे. Mr. Lam, once you got home, you would never let yourself come back. If you got home, okay, so you would never be able to come here again. Daddy, you don't know. Sir, आप नहीं जानते. You don't know what I could do. Sir, now you don't know what I could do, what I can do. आप नहीं जानते मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. I will come back. मैं वापस आऊंगा because you have showed me a new way to life. आप मुझे जीवन का एक नया रास्ता दिखाया है. The lamb, no, only you know that. It totally depends on you. It totally depends on you that you will face this one again or not. It totally depends on you that you will get mixed with other people or not. Totally depends on you. इसे आप पर डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या करना चाहते हैं. Daddy, if I choose, if I like, if I want to come, Salam, if you choose, I don't know everything, boy. Boy, I don't know everything. मैं हर बात तो नहीं जानता, but whatever I know, I have imparted to you. मैं तुमको दे दिया है. I can't tell you what to do, but I can't tell you what you will do. लेकिन अब मैं नहीं कह सकता कि तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए. It totally depends on you what you want to do. Daddy, they tell me. वो मुझे बताएंगे. The lamb, do you have to agree? Will you agree with those people who will guide you there at your home? क्या तुम लोगों से एग्री करोगे जो तुम्हें गाइड करेंगे तुम्हारे घर पर? Daddy, I don't know what I want. पता नहीं. रानी, मेरा क्या होगा? मैं क्या चाहता हूँ? I want something no one else has got or ever will have. Sir, I want to have such success in my life which other people have not yet received. I want to have that great success in my life which other people yet have not achieved. मैं जीवन में वो सफलता पाना चाहता हूँ जो दूसरे लोगों ने अभी तक नहीं ली है. That would be different. That would make me different from other people. Okay, that would be make me differentiate from other people because I want to have something special in my life. Something just mine. I want to have that thing which will be only mine. मैं जीवन में वो रखना चाहता हूँ अपने पास जो सिर्फ मेरी होगी. Like this garden, as this is your garden. This is your garden. In the same way, I like to have my own things on which I can prove my claim. जिस पर मैं अपना अधिकार क्लेम कर सकता हूँ, बोल सकता हूँ. I don't know what it is, but sir, I don't know what that things must be. वो क्या चीज होगी? You could find out. What do you want to have in your life? You can find out. तुम उसे ढूंढ सकते हो. How? Salam, waiting, watching, listening. Waiting, इंतजार करो. Watching, देखो. Listening, सुनो. Sitting here, यहाँ बैठो. और going there, वहां जाओ. It means you have to move in this world. You have to go to the remote corner or farther corner of the world to find out what you want. But for this, just wait for the good opportunity. For this, wait for the good opportunity. Watch your activities and listen other people. But listen only positive things. Listen only what which is very important for you to make your career. I will have to see to the bees. Now I am going to see my bees because my bees will be singing like that. So I want to hear their singing. Those other people who come here, those other people who come in your garden, do they talk to you? क्या वो तुमसे बात करती हैं? Do they share anything with you? Ask you things? They ask you things matter, different things. Some do, some don't. Some ask and some don't ask. Okay. I like to learn, but I like to learn. मुझे सीखना अच्छा लगता है. Getting? Dairy, I don't believe in them. No, sir, I don't believe in such type of things. I don't think anybody ever comes. I don't want to mix with the people. I don't want to mix with the people. मैं लोगों से घुलना मिलना नहीं चाहता.